Well, this has given the BJP ample opportunity to corner the Maharashtra Aghadi government over Mumbai's ex-top cop Parambir Singh's letter. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has raised these questions over why the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, is defending a cop Sachin Vaze in the Ambani bomb scare probe. He added that Uddhav has betrayed his father, Bal Thackeray's legacy. He's also said that what all secrets Vaze has, because of which he was defended by the government, must now come out. Responding to these allegations, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar said that Vaze was reinstated in police last year by Parambir and not by the Chief Minister or by the Home Minister. Hitting out at the BJP, Pawar said this seemed like their bid to destabilize the Maharashtra government. In fact, a bid is being made to do so. Meanwhile, protests were held in Mumbai with the BJP demanding the resignation of Anil Deshmukh. In front of Deshmukh's house in Nagpur, activists of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, which is the youth wing of the BJP, set fire to a symbolic statue of Anil Deshmukh. The police has arrested 30 activists in this incident. BJP MLA Ram Kadam also demanded a narco analysis test on Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray as well as the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh.
तो एक पुलिस कमिश्नर उनको ब्रीफ कर रहा था और ये भी ब्रीफ किया कि पैसे मांगे जा रहे थे। तो शरद पवार इतने बड़े नेता, उन्होंने कार्रवाई क्या की आपको मालूम है ना? 100 करोड़ रुपए का उगाही करना एक्सटॉर्शन होता है। एक्सटॉर्शन एक अपराध है।
In his briefing to me and his letter which I read, there is no information about actually collection of money or actually money has been transferred or handed over to CM and not CM, Home Minister or his staff.
Under whose pressure this Sachin Vaje, who is supposed to extort money, was reinstated? या शिवसेना का दबाव था, मुख्यमंत्री का दबाव था, या शरद पवार का भी दबाव था?
The decision to reinstate in service was neither taken by CM or Home Minister. It was taken by CP himself. And he was reinstated and immediately he was given very important sensitive.
And this is a Mega India Today exclusive. Former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh spoke exclusively to India Today. He confirmed that it was his letter indeed accusing the Maharashtra Home Minister of extortion. This after it was pointed that the letter was unsigned and it was sent using a Gmail address instead of an official email address. Sources say the Chief Minister's office contacted Parambir Singh to confirm if the letter was indeed from him. The former Mumbai top cop has said that a signed letter will soon be sent to the Chief Minister.
सर, ये जो लेटर को लेकर काफी बवाल हो रहा है एंड इट्स बीन सेड दैट लेटर हैज नॉट बीन सेंट फ्रॉम योर ऑफिशियल आईडी व्हिच इज रजिस्टर्ड विद द गवर्नमेंट. व्हाट आर योर कमेंट्स अबाउट दैट? इज दैट योर ईमेल व्हिच यू हैव सेंट टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर, डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड अदर्स?
Yes, it's my email ID. That's all. I have no more comments. Thank you.
Okay, no more comments, but he confirms that indeed it was him who in fact sent out that letter giving out details of extortion. In fact, allegations of extortion being made against the Maharashtra Home Minister, which of course is in fact the BJP has given a great deal of ammunition to the BJP. The NCP of course continues to say that this is nothing but an attempt to destabilize the Maharashtra Aghadi government there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.